Hey, what's the deal? It's your boy back again with another video. I recorded the video yesterday. It's just a simple, quick tutorial on how to get the perfect white rice or really any kind of rice. My tooth. Well, first of all, I had just got done doing an intense workout. I was made that tooth pain like just radiate, but I had to get that workout in. I did some calisthenics. I started which I'm gonna start recording that too. I started doing some of the trainings that Mike Tyson used to do and still do um without using weights, just body weight, different movement, and stuff like that. So it was intense. I'm when I tell I'm sore as shit. I'm sore, but me being this sore is gonna make me work out again today. Those same exercises. But let me not get too far off the topic. That rice video that I recorded yesterday, I'm gonna upload today. And let me tell you this. Before people jump in the comments talking about, oh, everybody should know how to cook rice, everybody should know this. Stop. Just stop. You know, yeah, everybody might, should know how to do this and do that. Some people struggle with simple things, and all we need is somebody to show how it's done, an easier way. Now, this rice video is low quality, but it's a little bit of knowledge being kicked out, and the reason why I did it is because a couple of students, a couple of my classmates, that was in the same class as myself, obviously, say, hey man, show us how to make white rice, man. Is I want to know how you do it and how to get it perfect every time. And I said, cool. I didn't judge them, so I don't want you doing the same thing. I don't want you doing that judging, bull cuss word either. You know, everybody. No, I'm gonna say this: talent and skill. Some people have it already, and some people want to learn it. You can teach skill, you can teach talent. All it takes is for that person to have the willingness to learn it and want to do it. And I used to say all the time, and I found this to be untrue, so I stopped saying it, that if you can read, you can cook. It's not that simple. And it took me a lot of years to realize it's not that simple. I used to tell people all the time when I was training them, people that worked up under me, that if you can read a recipe or if you can read, you can cook. And that's not the case. And I apologize, for telling people that, you know, because you also got to have a sense of awareness and finesse. You have to have a sense of judgment, um, and sight to be able to do certain things. And if you want to build those characteristics, you want to build that talent, that skill, all you have to have is one thing: that willingness. And what comes with willingness is drive, passion, right? And being hungry. And I ain't just talking about food hungry, I'm talking about knowledge hungry, right? So I'm gonna upload the video today, at some point. I just wanted to, give a heads up that I was dealing with some pain. I'm not 100%, But I'm working on it. You know, I'm an old man, so gotta get these. I love to eat. I gotta keep my teeth right. I'm a eater. I'm a eater. You know, and when my mouth stop hurting, I can't wait to eat a peach. I love eating peaches. Juicy, delicious. That's my favorite fruit to eat, peach. But enough of that. Stay tuned.